Hey everyone, my name's Alayna and this is my YouTube channel. I am a illustrator, a mom too. I spend a lot of time with my kids. This is my first vlog and it's kind of awkward. Yeah, so I decided to start a YouTube channel just so... Hold on. Mickey Mouse was a little loud there. So I decided to start my own YouTube channel just so that way I could kind of share the process of how I do things on my Etsy shop and how I make some of the artwork that I do. I'm gonna do some artwork and I'm gonna take you along. So I just wanted to share real quick that I use a Wacom tablet, just more to do the coloring. I do all the drawings analog because I just have a hard time drawing like lines and stuff with the Wacom. I have a lot better of a time, I have an easier time coloring than I do with drawing with lines. Like usually stuff like that would be easier with things like using a iPad and using Procreate, which I mean not all of us have like $1,000 to be dropping on a iPad or anything. It's a good substitute for that, and you know, if you have any computer around, you don't even need a MacBook either. I use Photoshop, and the subscriptions to Adobe could be a bit expensive, but you don't even need to get the full subscription for all of their apps. You could just get Photoshop and do it that way. I think that's probably the most cost-effective way if you wanted to try to professional coloring yourself. Just get a simple Wacom tablet and Photoshop.